Good morning, witches. Okay, this is day. Come on, you damn thing. Day 11 of healing. Using Kudalini and all manner of things, crystals and tuning forks, and this, which is the most powerful thing ever. Yeah, ever. Okay, so yesterday, I was talking a bit about CBD, so didn't use a lot of that yesterday. What's interesting as I'm going like day to day, that will change. What I can do with this is changing on a daily basis. Like I can do more. And in fact, just this morning when I was doing the black Kundalini, there's a hand position when you're doing Sufi grind that it wouldn't sit in that position. It was like, so I'd be like, okay, so I have to put it somewhere else then. But today, it sat in that position and it didn't squawk at me, yeah? So that was fantastic. So it's those little things that tell me this is pretty much healed. Yeah, it's the cast is annoying, but it's pretty, so I'll put up with it. So it's absolutely it is. I am sorry, fiddling around my hat. Let's take it off. Actually, let's take it off because I get hot. Right. So what is quite amazing to me is. And like I say, I don't have a benchmark because I've never broken a bone before. I have had this arm in plaster before for tendonitis, and that took a long time to heal. That took, because even when I think it was on for 3 weeks, and they took it off, and it was still very weak. So I had to, just be careful. But then I didn't know then what I know now. See? In fact, back then, I would have been in my mid-20s, early to mid-20s, I would have taken painkillers like everyone else. So just quickly, the thing about painkillers is they mask pain, so you don't know if it's actually getting better or not. Yeah, you can actually do more damage because the pain is there for a reason. It tells you, okay, whoo, hang on. It's like a flag, yeah? It's like, oh, hang on a minute. Something going on here. Let me just fix that, and then we'll go on. Yeah, that's what pain does. It's just a marker. It's not a, oh, it's horrible, it's evil, it's naughty, it's all the rest of it. It's just there to tell you something, yeah? That's it. And it's usually an indicator of you just need to slow down a bit, or you just need to rest for a minute, yeah? And then get back to what you were doing. And when we don't listen to that, that's when our body will actually make us stop. Yeah. Or it could be huge resistance like what this is. Fight or flight and all that. So, that was a little side note. So today, what I did in my black Kundalini practice, because I've been working with the invoking lesser ritual of the pentagram. So today I thought, okay, just on a whim, used my athame, and I did the lesser banishing ritual of the pentagram. Yeah, just as an experiment to see what the difference was. Because although you might use those. Either or of those yourself in ritual or just as a daily practice, bringing it into this very powerful Kundalini work, it will up your game. Absolutely, it will up your game. Yeah. So what I found today, by bringing in the banishing energy, the kind of arc of energy through the Kundalini practice was a lot more subtle. It was quite inner focused, as opposed to the invoking pentagram, which is like, yeah, come on then, bring it on, bring all that energy. What I found today was it was a lot more focused on internal energy and very, 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 very focused. And that was quite an interesting journey actually today. I did get a rush of energy, healing energy through my arm again, and there was something that happened. What was it that happened? Oh yes. Now I was talking the other day about when I would enter meditation, I would get like Bill and Ted, yeah, or was it Wayne's World? Wayne's World, the wiggly lines, yeah. But that doesn't happen anymore. What I was told is blink and you'll be there. Okay, so I did that today, thinking I was going to go into a meditation, but I didn't. But what happened was it came from right to left. Was like, the only way I can describe it, this might sound a bit weird, it's like torpedoes of light healing, yeah. But it looked like a cross between the creature out of the abyss and when you see a torpedo going through the water, it has a very specific shape it makes in the water. It looked like that, like a cross between the two, and it was just coming in and going just like enveloping me. It was quite amazing actually. So that's what I got. I don't know who it's from, but it was quite nice and it was cooling, yeah, because this had got quite warm during the practice, and so it was very cooling. So what's really amazing as well actually is I've got this movement back, yeah, that movement is back, no pain. I can twist it a little, although I can't go all the way because then it starts squeaking at me, so it's like, okay, save that for another day. Now when I was doing that before, I was getting a strange thing down here, which isn't happening now. Obviously, when I'm working it gets achy because you're kind of building it back up again, which is normal, for any kind of exercise, even when even bodybuilders, they build by tearing muscle. So, it's always a process of renewal and building, so to speak, if that makes sense. So yeah, that movement's back. Wow, that is so close. Satanama, yeah. In fact, that is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Satanama. Fantastic. Now, when I was doing that in my practice, I couldn't get that. Satanama. That one still wasn't touching, but now it is. It's like, no, it's decided to do that now. Okay. What else did I get through my practice today? There was something else I was told to tell you, and although that might have been it about the healing, I can't remember if there was something. It's gone. Couldn't have been that bloody important, could it? If it's maybe forget it. Okay, so what's today? Sunday today, isn't it? Sunday. So tomorrow and Tuesday is Mother Earth Day. So I'm not sure what we're doing for that yet. And then Thursday, Friday, you got Rama's Day and Full Moon. So we'll probably be doing something for that as well. A bit of mirror magic. For our advanced witches, we got a new bit of content coming for you, which we're gonna thrash it out today and record it tomorrow. It's to do around the taboo around money. So for all of our advanced witches, that will be up tomorrow. Facebook's down today. Oh my God. How mad is that? That's why I'm recording this here. So it'll be up on the website tomorrow. If Facebook's up, then I'll whack it up on there. If it's not, we'll just bypass Facebook altogether. Let's build a bypass around Facebook. Okay. Because we have our own witchcraft social media now. So, to Facebook. Haha. If you want to nip along to our Path of Witchcraft social media platform just for witches, it's pathofwitchcraft.com. This morning I posted a few more bits on there, actually. Ongoing learning. Yeah. Go and have a look. Sign up. There's loads on there. There's loads of people joining. You know, start a conversation. You know, share your experiences. You know, that's what it's there for. It's your community, your witchcraft community. So go along to the pathofwitchcraft.com. Okay. And have an amazing Sunday. And we'll see you around and about tomorrow and during the week. Like I say, Facebook's not down. We'll just do it all on YouTube. In fact, we might just do it on YouTube anyway. Fuck Facebook. Right. I'm going to go. Be fearless. Stay witchy. Blessings all.